wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dela Wahyuni. I'm from TBI 1 4th semester in State Islamic University of North Sumatra English Department. So here I want to tell you about the variation of morphology in English. Before we get into the variation, we have to get know first what is morphology. Morphology is the study of word structure and how words change form. So in this video, we will dive into different aspect variation morphology in English such as inflection, derivation, compound word, and conversion. By understanding this concept, you will have a better understanding of how words in English can change and improve. This will help you enrich your vocabulary, understand your nuance of meaning, and improve your overall English proficiency. Alright, without wasting any more time, let us get started by discussing variation of morphology in English. For the first is inflection. What is inflection? Inflection is a change in the form of word to show things like number, time, plural, and etc. Inflection divided into two types. For the first is regular inflection. In regular inflection, the change in verb form follow a regular and predicate pattern. Generally, regular inflection is marked by the addition of the ending ed to past tense or s to plural. Example of regular inflection. The word walk changes to walks to show the singular subject. The word cat changes to cats to show the plural form. The word play changes to played to show the past tense or past participle. The second types of inflection is irregular inflection. Irregular inflection is a change in the verb form that doesn't follow a regular pattern. Irregular verbs have unique and unpredictable form. The shape change must be memorized individually. Example of irregular inflection. The word be changes to is or was to show time. The word go changes to went or gone to show verb. The word chill changes to children to show the plural forms. Okay? For the second variation of morphology in English, derivation. What is derivation? Derivation is a process of creating a new word by adding a affix, prefix, or suffix to the base word. Example of derivation with prefix. The word happy becomes unhappy by adding the prefix "un". The word trash becomes distrash by adding prefix "dis". Example of derivation with suffix. The word create becomes creative by adding the suffix "ive". The word employ becomes employer by adding suffix "er". For the third variation of morphology in English, compound word. What is compound word? Compound word are words from two or more root words. Example of compound words. Teacup is made up to the two root words tea and cup. And then blackbird is made to the two roots black and bird. And then butterfly. Butterfly is made up to the two root words butter and fly. Okay. The fourth or the last variation of morphology in English, conversion. What is conversion? Conversion is a change in word class without changing the form of the word. Example of conversion. The noun paper can be converted into the verb become to paper. The adjective clear can be changed into the verb become to clear. Well, that's all I can share with you all about variation in English morphology. I hope you all gain it valuable insight and are motivated to continue deepening your understanding of this topic. Once again, I say thank you so much for your attention. Hopefully, what we learned today can help you become a better English speaker, more confident, and more creative by in using vocabulary. Happy learning!